Neem has many incredible benefits, but one of the most important things is it kills cancerous cells. When I say cancerous cells, every one of our bodies has cancerous cells, but they're disorganized, they're all over the place. For some reason, if you create certain situations in the body, they will get organized. So, from petty crime to organized crime, serious problem, isn't it? There are petty criminals everywhere, in every town. Here and there, they'll do little pickpocket, this, that, no problem. But if 50 of them get organized in Coimbatore city, then suddenly the whole atmosphere in the city will change, because these 50 guys together can do such things that it'll become dangerous for you to step on the street. So that's all is happening in the body. There are cancerous cells, these are criminal cells. They're running around. If they're loafing around by themselves, no problem. If they all gather in one place, if they meet in one place and they hit it off, then it's a problem. So, if the law enforcement is good, they see this, initially a criminal is happy picking somebody's pocket. Every day picking pocket, when two of them meet, they will dream of burgling a house. When 5 of them meet, they'll dream of robbing a bank. That's how it is. So, if the law enforcement is conscious and active, they will make sure, here and there they'll pick up one guy and throw him in. They'll do something, so that they never gather in enough numbers to become a major problem. So the same thing with the body. Before they gang up, if you keep breaking them up here and there, killing a few guys, every day Neem just does that. It just reduces. It keeps the number of cancerous cells in the body within a certain percentage where it doesn't really gang up against the system. So it's a very important thing to consume Neem. Only thing about Neem is if you consume it in excess quantity, it also kills the sperm cells. That is, we will have the fortune of a reduced population if everybody in the world consumes enough Neem. Because it's a spermicide, it must be consumed in small quantities because it's not for us to decide what should happen to an individual. And women, when they are pregnant, up to 4 months of pregnancy, or to be safe, up to 5 months of pregnancy, one should not consume Neem because it is a spermicide. When the fetus is developing, the role of the sperm is still there to a certain point. 4 months is what is prescribed. I am saying 5 months. One can start after 5 months.